Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to speed up Steam's verifying installation. When Steam becomes stuck or takes an unusually long time on the verifying installation stage, it is usually checking files, validating game data, or confirming that the installation is complete and intact. While some verification time is normal, network issues, permission conflicts, or communication problems between Steam and your system can sometimes make the process take longer than expected. Fortunately, there are a few troubleshooting steps that may help Steam complete the verification process more smoothly. The first thing to try is refreshing your network connection. Open Settings and navigate to Network Status. Within the Network Status window, click Change Adapter Options. This displays all of the network adapters available on your computer. Locate the internet connection you are currently using. Right-click the adapter and select Disable. This temporarily disconnects the network adapter and clears its current connection state. Wait a few moments before enabling it again. After a short pause, right-click the same adapter and select Enable. This forces Windows to establish a fresh network connection and can resolve temporary communication issues that may be interfering with Steam's verification process. Once the connection has been restored, reopen Steam and check whether the verification process proceeds normally. If the issue remains, the next step is to ensure Steam is running with administrative privileges. Locate Steam's installation folder and find the main Steam application file. Right-click the Steam executable and select Properties. This opens the Properties window for the application. Navigate to the Compatibility tab. Within this section, locate the option Run this program as an administrator. Enable the checkbox and click OK. Running Steam as an administrator provides elevated permissions that allow the client to access, verify, modify, and update files without being restricted by certain Windows permission settings. If Steam is encountering permission-related problems while attempting to verify installation files, this setting can often help resolve them. After applying the change, launch Steam again and allow the verification process to continue. Many users find that verification completes successfully when Steam has the appropriate file access permissions. It is important to understand that the verifying installation process is not purely a download operation. During verification, Steam may be checking installed files, comparing files against official versions, validating update data, scanning installation directories, confirming file integrity, preparing updates for installation. Because of this, the speed of the process can also depend on the performance of your storage drive and the number of files being checked. To summarize, speeding up Steam's verifying installation process begins by opening Settings, Network Status, Change Adapter Options, disabling your active network adapter, waiting briefly, and then enabling it again. If the issue persists, locate the Steam executable, open Properties, Compatibility, enable Run this program as an administrator, and click OK. These steps help resolve network communication issues and permission conflicts that may slow down or interrupt Steam's verification process. And that's how to speed up Steam's verifying installation process. By refreshing your network connection and ensuring Steam has administrative privileges, you can eliminate some of the most common causes of slow or stalled verification and help Steam complete the process more efficiently. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.